Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Stripe Atlas for building US ready startups, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Stripe Atlas, first, visit the official Stripe Atlas website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Create a Stripe account by entering your email address and choosing a password. Verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your newly created Stripe account. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Fill out the required personal information, including your full name and address. Provide details about your business idea and its structure. This could include whether you plan to register as an LLC or corporation. Stripe will guide you through the steps to register your business in the United States. You'll need to choose a business name that complies with U.S. regulations. Complete the necessary legal documentation provided by Stripe. This may include operating agreements and tax forms. For LLCs, Stripe Atlas will help you obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Follow the prompts to submit any required documents electronically. Once your business is registered, you'll receive confirmation via email. Set up a U.S. bank account to facilitate transactions. Stripe Atlas offers guidance on how to open a bank account as a foreign entrepreneur. Ensure you have all necessary documents ready for banking requirements. Next, integrate Stripe into your website or platform for payment processing. Choose between various integration options, such as API or pre-built solutions. Test your payment system to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Explore Stripe's resources for managing your business effectively. Utilize their dashboard to track payments, manage subscriptions, and analyze data. Consider reaching out to Stripe support for any additional questions or assistance. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start building and scaling your US-ready startup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.